Once again it's on. Welcome back everyone. I got another package. This one is from Tack Hill. I had this for over a month. So let's get to the unboxing. I know it's a flashlight because he told me he was gonna send me one. But I don't know what kind of flashlight. Alright, this is an Anker flashlight. Folks, this is a 900 lumens flashlight. Let's see if it turns on. Oh yeah, 900 lumen. Maybe it is charging, but I don't know if you're getting blinded, but it's pretty bright. Check it out. Oh, there it is. Yeah, look at that. It's not dark, but you all see that? Pretty bright light, man. It's barely dusk. Oh yeah, thank you, Red Hill. Check out my lemon tree. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, Rick Hill, thank you very much, man. This light, like I said, look at that. It zooms in and out. All right, fellas, thank you very much, Rick, for this awesome light, man. 900 lumens, pretty cool. I'll leave a link to Rick's channel, Tack Hill. Check him out, give him a sub. PBC out.